So how do you turn off the incognito mode on Chrome on Android? Let me explain what's possible and what you could do. So let's get started. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. Okay, so obviously if you are inside of your browser, you can go to the new tab, right? Really, and you can kind of like always get a new incognito tab. And if you want to like turn it off in a sense that you want to close this tab, you basically enable it like this and you close it. That's obvious, but I had to cover it at first. However, there are some more things you need to pay attention to. As you can notice, if we got into a new incognito tab, we have the ability to lock the incognito mode, right? So you have the ability to enable that. You need to verify with your biometrics, and now it is locked with a password, so you cannot really get it there if you don't have the code or a fingerprint to actually get inside. So that's another thing which you might be interested in. But if you generally just want to stop that feature from being active, well, the only workaround or only method to really make that work would be by setting up the family link parental controls and restrictions, right? So as you know, there's this thing, the app called parental controls, which is also like named family link. It's made by Google and you can download it from the Play Store, right? And in there, the way that it works is that you have like one main Google account which controls another like child account, and there you get to control what the other account can do, right? So you could technically set it up in this sense that you go to the Google Chrome and web and you don't select allow all sites, but then you try to block explicit sites, or you only show or allow approved websites, and you can see you can manage them blocked. You can also add as many blocked sites as you want, right? And that way you are setting up your phone and restricting it for someone else, meaning that you don't even need to worry about incognito mode because you literally block any website you don't want that other person to access, right? So that's something that you might need to take a look at, because outside of that, there isn't like any official way to stop the incognito mode from being usable. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.